Hello, I do welcome you once again to Do With Me channel. Today's video we are going to create advanced school database management system. This one I've already uploaded the demo version, and it is now time for all of us together we build it from scratch, and at the end of the day we get a complete fully functional advanced school database management system which will be taking care of all aspects of the school database system. Now I'm going to log in. I'll enter my credential, then password, and I go to login. Alright, so when we log in, this is how it is. When we come to the class section, you have to add a category. The category, that's a section of the school: nursery, lower kindergarten, lower primary, upper primary, junior high, and the rest. From there you have to add the class. Yes, then come to students, you have to add the student. Then come to teachers too, that one you have to add the teachers. If your school has the junior high system, you have to add the subjects, like your teachers are subject teachers, you have to add the subjects. Then here is where you assign classes to: term, discount, billing, payment, finances, and settings, where you can set permissions for your users. I've already uploaded the video on how to use this one, so I'll not spend my time here. We will just proceed and start building it from scratch. So what I want you to do is just stay tuned, don't go anywhere, watch this video to the end. If you are new to the channel, if not subscribed, kindly subscribe, like, share, and click on notification bell, because I'm going to build this one with you right from scratch to its completion. So stay tuned and let's get started. Now this is our Microsoft Access application. So here we will go to blank database, then we give it a name: Advanced School Database, Advanced Tutorial. Alright, then we go to create. As for the location, I want to save it in my documents folder, so I'll go to create. Then let me close this one. Alright, now the first table, we are going to create a lot of tables, yes, but the first table we will create will be the categories table. We go to create, then come to table. So here let's go to the design view, called categories, then click on OK, and here will be category ID, that one is auto number. Then category name, that one will be short text. Alright, then you close it. Yes, we have to save it. The next one is the classes table. We go to create, then come to table. Let's come to home, then go to the design tab. This one is going to be the classes. Then click on OK. This one will be class ID. That one is going to be auto number. Then category ID. This one we are going to get the categories from the categories table. So we'll use a lookup. Then we move to next. We want to get the record from the other table. So we select the categories table, go to next. Then this one is the category name you want it to display. Go to next. Then here, in case you want to sort it, you can click and sort it. If you want to leave it like that, go to next. Then next, go to what? Finish. Yes. Now the next one is the class name. That one is going to be a short text. Then the next item is, in this one we will be using it for promotion, and in that case we are going to add next class ID. Next class ID, that one is going to be a number. Then the next one we have to add promotion order. Yes, this one will help us to, that one too is going to be a number. Okay, let me close this one. Yes, the next table we will create will be the students table. That one, let's go to create table, go to the design tab. This one is going to be students. Okay, the first one is going to be student ID. The student ID auto number, then admission number. This one is going to be short text, then first name, short text, last name, last name to short text. Then come to gender. Let's use lookup because we don't want to be entering the gender. This one I'll type in the values that I want. Go to next, then gender either male or female. All right, then go to next, finish. This one, let's come down here to the lookup, then come to limit to list. Let's change it to yes, then allow value list, edit no. You come to date of birth, so DOB, that one is going to be date and time. Then the next one we have class ID. This one we have to get the classes from the class table. You select the classes, go to next. This one, let's add the class name, next, then let's say finish. All right, then we have parent name. Parent name is going to be a short text, then parent phone, that one too is going to be a short text. Address, short text, then active. This one will determine if the student is still with us or not. Active, this one we are using yes or no, but by default let's make it yes, because whenever automatically when you admit a student, it should be the student is automatically active. You come to the default value, you change the no to yes. Then the next one we come to admission date. Admission date, that one will be date and time. Then we have last school attended, that one should be short text. Then we have health conditions. This one to use yes or no, whether the student is having any health related conditions, then choose yes. Then the next one, if yes, specify condition, that one is going to be a short text, and the last one is going to be picture file. Then this one too is going to be a short text. Yes, so now you will close this one, save it. The next table we are going to create will be the teachers table. So go to create, come to table, then come to design. This one is going to be teachers. We have teacher ID, staff ID, then first name, short text, last name too is going to be short text, date of birth is going to be date and time, then gender, this one to use lookup to enter the values we want, male, female. Then we have to make sure you don't allow list edit. Then the next one is going to be phone. The phone 2 is going to be short text, then address. Address 2 is going to be short text, marital status. So the marital status, to avoid spelling mistakes, you can make it lookup. So let's use lookup. Let's say I'll type in the values. So this one you can just say married, then single, divorce. Right, let's maintain this 3. Finish. Then this one you have to limit it, but in case you want to add up in the future, just allow it. I want to maintain this one, so let me go to limit it to the list. So from marital status, then we come to emergency contact person. In case if we want you and we don't get you, who will be the emergency contact person? So emergency contact person, that one is short text. Then relationship to that one, leave it like that, short text. Then come to emergency number, that one will be short text. Then email, short text. Then we have qualification, that one too should be short text. Then active, yes or no. So by default any new teacher should be active, so go to the default field and change the no to yes. Then we have picture file, that one should be short text. Yes, as a teacher we have to get your certificate into the system, so this one will be certificate file, that one too should be a short text. And date employed, that one to be date and time. All right, so this is for the teachers table. I'll save it and close it. The next table we are going to add will be the subject table, especially for subject teachers. So go to create table, then come to design tab. This one is going to be subject ID, auto number, subject name. This one is going to be a short text. Yes, close it and save it. Yes. Then the next one we are going to create will be the assign class to teachers. Come to table, then design tab. You have assigned classes. That one we have teacher or assigned ID. That one is going to go to number. Then teacher ID. Let's use lookup to, like as we are going, we are just creating the relationship like that, straightforward. So what I'll do is just to go and enforce referential integrity. Yes, if you don't know anything about referential integrity, this one I've covered it in a 30-day Microsoft Access course. You can just go and watch it and you get to understand what the referential integrity means. So here we just go to next, then we come to the teachers table, select that one, go to next. This one we just select first name, then next. This one let's go to sorting by first name, next, then finish. Yes, so this one we want the teacher's name, we want the full name to appear. So let's go to look up here, then we come to the row source, click here. When you come to the 3 dots, click on the 3 dots. So when I click on the 3 dots, you can see that the teacher ID, the first name, only the first name is here. Let me zoom it out. Yes, so the first name we have to add the second name to it. So and last name, but we have to alias it. This one is going to be full name, then colon. Go to OK. Go down. You can close it, save it. Yes. All right. Now let's come to the next item. It's going to be class ID. Class ID is going to be lookup. You have to get the classes from the classes table. Then this one, class name, next, then finish. Yes. Then the next one too, we have to get the subject ID. Subject ID to just get the subject from the subject table. Go to subjects. All right. Then the subject name, we add it. Next, finish. All right. This one, the names, if you want to sort, you can add the sorting. Yes, I don't want to sort. That's why I'm just moving fast. Then you go to the academic year. You've not created the academic year, so you hold on for now. And the term too, we have to assign the term. So now let's create the next table. The next table will be the academic year. Yes. So for the academic year, let's go to create. Come to table, design view, then academic year. This one will be academic year ID. You can just make it year ID. Then we have academic year. This one is going to be short test. Then start date, date and time, and end date. That one too is going to be date and time. All right. So just close it. Now let me add the term. Then I link them to the assigned class table. So I'll go to create table design. This one is going to be terms. The first item will be term ID. That one is going to be auto number. Then term name. Term name should be short test. Then we have academic year ID. The academic year ID, we get the academic year from the academic table. Yes, just add the academic year here. Next, then this one, we want the current academic year to be on top. So we are going to sort it in descending order. Yes, in descending order. Go to next, then finish. Then the next item is going to be start date, and time. Then end date. That one too is going to be date and time. So I'll just close this one. Yes. Then we come to the assigned class. So here will be academic year ID. Then we just get the academic year from the academic year table. Add academic year. Next, this one to just use the academic year, then descending. Next, finish. All right. Then we come to the term ID. That one too, you have to get it from the terms table. Then we add a term name. Next, sort by. No, as for the term, I don't want to do any sorting. Go to next, then we finish. All right. So there is it for the assigned classes. The next item will be the discounts. Let me close this one. Good. So the next item table will be the discount table. So I'll be this count table. We have discount ID will be auto number. Discount name should be short test. Then go to discount type, that one the discount type should be either percentage or fixed. So that one, let's use the lookup. I'll type in the values, fixed, then if it is percentage, now let's finish it, then you have to limit it. Yes, the next item is going to be discount value. This one is going to be number, active, yes. Now I'll close this one, save it. The next table, we are going to create the student discount. Yes, after we have created the discounts table, you have to create the student discount. This one, go to the design tab and student discount. This one is going to be student discount ID. Student ID, you have to get the students used from the students table. Select students, go to next, then add the first name, then come to sorting. Yes, we want it to sort in ascending order. Finish. Now let's go down here, the lookup, you have to make sure we add the first and last name together, just as we did for the teachers. Come to zoom, this one is going to be full name, then should be first name, last name. Okay, close it. Yes, save it. Then come to the next item. The next item is going to be discount ID. That one too is going to be, you are going to get a discount from the discount table. So I'm add a discount name, then next, finish. The next item, start term ID. This one we have to get the term from the terms table. This one, go to the terms table, add term name, next, finish. Then end term ID. I want to get it from the term table. Term name, next, finish. Then start year ID. In this one too, we are going to get the year from the academic year. So use the lookup, then academic year, add the academic year, next, finish, and the end year ID too, we are going to get it from the academic year. So want to add academic year, next, finish. Then we come to is active. Is active, yes, no. By default, let's turn it to yes. Then we have created date. This one is going to be date and time, and created by, this one is going to be what? Short text. All right, so the next table we are going to create is going to be the bill types. Control S to save. Let's go to create, come to tables, then design tab. This one is going to be bill types, bill type ID, auto number, bill type name, short text. Then some bill types they are one-time payment, so we have to indicate it. One-time bill, especially the admission fee. Admission fees are paid once. Yes, so you have to indicate it. When you indicate it, then the following terms, when you are generating invoices, it will not be affected. Yes, so that it is very, very necessary to include this one-time bill here. Now I'll save it. Then let me close this one to create another one for the invoice. So the invoice table, that's the heart of the billing system. Come to the design tab, and it's going to be invoices. This one is the invoice ID, auto number, invoice number, short text, invoice, the invoice type. So the invoice type, for now, like, I'm considering two types of invoices. That would be the regular invoice and ad hoc. I explained in the video uploaded that when we talk of ad hoc, they are bills that are not directly part of the school's bill, especially if there's an excursion, especially if there's an emergency contributions that students or teachers are to make, especially if a student destroys something and that student is to replace that one. So these are some of the examples of ad hoc. That's why I'm grouping the invoice types into two. This one, I'm going to use the lookup to then I enter the values. That'll be regular and ad hoc. Alright, so I'll use these two for the invoice type. I'll finish, then I have to limit it. Don't have to allow value list edit. Then the next item is going to be the student ID. Student ID, let's get the students from the students table. Add the student first name, next, then sort by the first name. So we just did it. Then finish. Yes, the student ID. Let me with the first name, last name. I want the alias, give them first name and last name as full name. Okay, close this one, save it. Yes, then the next item is going to be the bill type ID. The bill type ID, get the bill type from the bill types table. Bill types, next, then the bill type name. You have to add the bill type name next. Then this one, in case you want to sort it, go to next, finish. Yes, then the next item, you have to bill. Okay, if you've not added the bill template, you have to add the bill template. If you've not added that one, so let me add that one first. Let me add that one. So you just create another form, a table, go to create, then design. This one is going to be bill template. Then go to OK. So the ID will be bill template ID. That will be auto number, class ID. This one, get the classes from the class table. Add the class name. Next, finish. Then the next item we're going to category ID, because some bills can be built based on class, some too may be based on categories. Yes, category ID, that one too. Let's get the category from the categories table. Name, add it, next, finish. Then the next item is going to be the bill type ID. This one too, let's get the bill type from the bill type table. Then bill type name, we add it, next, finish. Alright, so the next one will be the amount. Automatically we make it currency. Yes, and term ID. I have to get the terms from the terms table. Add the term name, next, finish. Then I have to add academic year, ID. That one too, you have to get the academic year from the academic year table. Add academic year, next, finish. Then the last one, active. This one is yes, no. Alright, now let's save it, then we close it. So when we come to the, we are back to the invoices. So from the invoices you go to the bill template ID. Bill template ID, you have to get it from the bill templates table. Here, since we don't have any bill template name, you use the ID. Yes, next, then finish. Alright, then we have the invoice date. This one will be date and time. Then we have due date, that one to be date and time. Then academic year, let's get the academic year from the academic year table. We have the term ID. The academic year should be academic year ID, and the term ID too. That one we have to get the term from the terms table. Add the term name, next, then finish. Then the next item, you have to add the class ID. That one you have to get the classes from the classes table. Add the class name, next, finish. Then the category ID. This one you have to get the categories from the category table. Add the name, next, finish. Then the next item will be the amount. Amount should be currency. Then discount should be currency. Amount due, that one to currency. We have amount paid, currency. Balance, currency. Then status, that one is going to be short test, and created date is going to be date and time. Alright, so there's the invoice table. The next table we will create will be the payment table. So that one, let me close this one. Go to create, come to table, go to design. This one is going to be payment. Then payment ID, that will be auto number. Receipt number, just leave it to be short text. Invoice, invoice ID, that one you have to get it from the invoice table. This one too, you can just add use the invoices. We don't have invoice name, you can use the invoice number. Then next, go to next. Let's sort it in ascending order. Next, then finish. Alright, so the next one will be student ID. You have to get it from the students table. Add the first name. Next, then sort by the first name. Next, finish. Let's go and add the last name to it. I'll zoom it. Then last name. This one will be full name. Okay, come to okay, close it. Yes. Then the next item is going to be the payment date. This one is going to be date and time. Then term ID. Term ID, you have to get it from the terms table. Add the term name. Next, finish. So now that we've added the term, you have to add academic year. That one you have to get it from the year table. Add academic year. Next. That one too, you can sort it in descending order. Finish. Yes. Then the next item, you have to add the amount paid. This one is going to be currency. Then payment method. The payment method, you can make it look up, yes, so that users will be selecting. But in case you want to leave it like that, but I always prefer using lookup, since lookup reduces the situation whereby users type in inconsistent names or methods. This one we will use cash. Then can just make, let's say, mobile money. Then can just say bank. Then check. Alright, let's maintain this one. Next, finish. Then the next item, this one we have to limit it to the list. Come to limit to list, yes. Then allow value list edit, no. So the next item will be reference number. So the reference number, there's a situation whereby the payment is from bank. The bank will provide reference number. If it is check, the check has its reference number. If mobile money has some unique ID that you enter into the reference number. So we have to add that one, reference. The reference number. This one is going to be short text. Then remarks, this one is optional, but I can add it. The remarks to, let's make it long text. Yes, the long text, because in case you want to add notes to any payment, you can do so. I'm choosing long text because the long text gives you more characters than short text. Then the next one is going to be paid by. The paid by to is going to be short text. Then received by, that one too is going to be a short text. Then received date, we've added the payment date, so there's no need for us to add the received date. Alright, so I think this is it. This is it for the payment table. I'll save it, then I close it. Alright, so for now, this is the primary tables that we are creating. As we are progressing, we will add the users table. Then okay, since we will be promoting students, we have to add the student promotion table. That one will be keeping track of students history, promotion history. So let's create that one. To go to create table, then this one is going to be promotion student. Let's make it student promotion history. That one is going to be history ID, auto number, student ID. Let's get the students from the students table. Students first name, next, sort by first name, next, finish. Then let's add the last name to the first name. I'll zoom it. So the first name, make it full name. Go to OK, close it, save it, yes. Then the next item will be the old class ID. That one, make it number. Then new class ID, that one to be a number. Then promotion date and time. Then promotion year 2 is going to be a short text. Then the next one, we have gender. This gender is optional, but if you add it, it won't do any bad thing to it. Gender short text. Then the last one will be status. So status to what? Short text. All right, so I will save it. Yes, what is left is the user permissions and the users table. But for this one, I want that one. I want us to do that one later. Yes, because for the users table in the previous videos, we created the user login form, the tables and the form. So that one, if you've not watched, you can go and watch that one. Then you come back and continue from here. And because of that, I won't spend my time on it, Just that I'll make some adjustment to it. Then after that, I'll add the user permissions table. That one will help the admin to control who gets access to any part of the database. All right. So that is it. And I'll close this one. And say so far we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. So far we have 15 tables that we've created for this our database. I'll end here. In the next video, we are going to create the queries. Yes, we are going to create a lot of queries to manage our database. This one is an advanced, so a lot of work is in it. So in the next video, we create all the queries that we will need. Then from there, we add our forms, our VBA, and we are done. So please stay tuned. If you are new to the channel, if you're not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Click on the notification bell, share it to others so that they too they will benefit from it. Thank you for your time, and thank you for always being with me. Thank you for watching till this time. We shall meet in the next video. Bye bye.